What if, instead of waiting 60 to 90 days, request payments right when the job starts? What if deposits, deductibles, and customer payments could be secured at any stage of the job, from the moment a work authorization is signed to final invoicing? Running a restoration business isn't just about fixing damages and restoring people's homes. It's about keeping things moving, crews, materials, and jobs. But there's one thing that slows everything down: getting paid. Restorers jump into action immediately, securing homes and properties that have been impacted by sudden damage, spending thousands on labor and materials before a single dollar comes in. And then, they wait. Insurance payments take weeks, sometimes months. Homeowners delay paying deductibles. And suddenly, you're floating the costs of a job with no guarantee of when the money will actually hit your account. That's exactly why we built Albi Pay, the first payment solution designed specifically for restoration businesses. From the moment a work authorization is signed, you can send a secure payment request right from Albi. The homeowner receives a text or email, pays instantly, and the money lands in your account. No waiting, no bottlenecks. Let's break it down, what it could mean for your business. On an average water mitigation job, you would get the call, show up, sign the job, and get to work. You were covering everything: equipment, labor, materials. And months would go by before you were able to process full and final costs, invoice, and get paid. Today, the average water mitigation job cost is around $8,000, and the average homeowner's deductible is around $3,000. With Albi Pay, by requesting payment of the homeowner's deductible up front, you could secure almost 40% of the job costs from the start of the job, keeping your cash flow strong from day one. Less risk, better cash flow, and a business that stays ahead. Anyone on your team, technicians, project managers, can send a payment request. No more waiting for office staff to generate invoices. No more back and forth. And everything is PCI compliant, meaning your customer's data is always secure. And you can securely store customer payment information on file, making it faster and easier to process payments as the project moves forward. And because we know every dollar counts, Albi Pay is built to save you money. Lower fees than QuickBooks and ACH fees capped at $15. No extra charges, so you keep more of what you earn. It's not just faster, it's smarter. Restoration contractors across the country are already using Albi Pay to take control of their cash flow. They're saying no to waiting and yes to getting paid on their terms. Now it's your turn. Stop waiting. Stop chasing. Start securing payments when it works for you. Find out more at albiware.com/albipay. Get paid. Albi Pay.